Hi everyone, welcome to another brand new video. In this video, we are going to unbox and see Emerald 3.2 liter digital air fryer. This air fryer I got from Best Buy store, and the price is around $100 without a deal. You can check the link in the description if there is a deal happening. Before getting started, if you are new here and have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing. We post product related videos every week on this channel.
We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter.
At the very beginning, let's unbox and see what they have packaged in the box.
I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
As you can see here, this Emerald air fryer has a fully removable basket for hassle-free serving when food is done. They have 7 presets cooking modes feature with time and temperature, include fries, chicken, steak, shrimp, pork, cake, and fish. You can choose from 7 touches presets, or set your own time and temperature. Smart presetting buttons are amazingly fast and easy to prepare a meal by press one button. Simply place your prepared food in the basket, choose your temperature and time, wait and enjoy. Honestly, I love this air fryer.
Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from...
The controls are very easy to use, smooth LCD touch display and the touch control. Quickly and easily set your cook time 0 to 60 minutes, and you can set temperature 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a recipe book is included which makes it easy to prepare food that we don't know how. This air fryer is designed to heat up foods with little to no oil at all. I can make a single steak or chicken breast without having to clean off my grill. 7 minutes on each side and you have a medium rare steak every time. This fryer is good looking, beautiful colors matching appliances, beautiful shape and design compared to another competitor. Well spacious and good quality, and cooks the food wonderfully.
If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
In the end, I felt this fryer is very convenient and very easy to clean. The only downside is the heat is less even. Some overburn while others are less done. You need to shake more often in between, but you will know how. About this fryer, prices will be always an issue. Often there are much deal happens, sometimes you will get really cheap, like $29. Please research before buying it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now, I will see you in another video.